Hello students, welcome to the channel and today we are going to study the fourth part of adjectives. So in the earlier three parts I had explained you everything and there were no doubts and all because I didn't receive. Very good, that means you all had paid attention and you all had understood it very well. Okay students, so we'll move further in the adjectives and we'll come on order of adjectives. Okay students, so what is an adjective? We know this by now. I think everybody knows that what is an adjective. Okay, so an adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay students, so with this word I have explained you in earlier videos also that if you don't understand anything, just go onto the name. Okay, so like order of adjectives, so what do you come to know? That there's some order, there's some positioning. Okay, so order of adjective is basically the order. The adjectives has to be put in a particular order, and how it is, what it should be, in what order it should be placed, how it will be placed, this we are going to study in this part. Okay students, so for example, if I have a black leather jacket, a leather black jacket. Okay, so I have two options over here, a black leather jacket and a leather black jacket. So I think 99% of y'all will say that a black leather jacket is a correct sentence and a leather black jacket is a wrong sentence formation. And why is it so? Because a black leather jacket, if you see, jacket is the noun over here. Okay students, in the earlier part, if you remember, we had studied that we have to first identify the noun in the adjective. So the noun over here is jacket, and there are two adjectives defining or describing the jacket. These are black and leather. So if you notice over here, black and leather. Okay, and in the yellow sentence it's leather and black. So this is what we are going to learn. Okay students, excuse me, that the position black should come first or leather should come first, or leather should come first or black should come first. This is a question mark over here. So this is what we are going to study, but for now I am going to tell you that the green sentence, a black leather jacket, is the correct form of sentence because the adjective are placed correctly in order. Okay, and how it is, we'll come to know. So in English it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun, but these adjectives must be used in proper order. Okay students, so like we say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so it's in order. But if I say 3 8 15 20, is it in order? No. So everything, and in English also, adjectives should be in order. Okay, if you want the sentence formation to be correct. So what is that order? What should come first? What should come after that? What it should, how the sentence will be formed? All these things we are going to study. Okay, over here. So there are 9 types of adjectives that are usually put in the following order. So students, here you are getting a very easy access, that DOSA SCOMP. Okay, so if you memorize this, the red letters, these are actually the short for the what we say, if you expand it, like D is for determiner, O is for opinion, S is for size, A is for age, S is for shape again, C is for color, O is for origin, M is for material, and P is for purpose. So very simple, this is the order. In this order the adjective should be placed. Okay, we'll come to the examples also. So you will have to memorize DOSA SCOMP. So if you memorize this, so you will automatically come to know that D stands for determiner, O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, S again stands for shape, C stands for color, O again stands for origin, M stands for material, and P stands for purpose. Now we'll see one. Determiner, we know what is a determiner. Opinion. So opinion can be a factual opinion or my personal opinion. Factual opinion is like, if I gave you this example earlier also, like factual means fact based, okay, like Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, so this is a fact. But if I say my personal opinion, suppose this film is not very good, this is my personal opinion. Like any other person can have their own opinion. It's not necessary that our everyone's opinion will be the same. Okay, size is like long, large, uh, short, and all these things. Age, ancient, old, new, this is age. Shape, round, square, rectangle, this is shape. Color we all know, red, blue, green, yellow, and so on. Origin over here is like from where. So for example, if in the earlier part also we had studied this example. For example, tea. If the tea is from India, okay, Indians are the largest producer of tea, we know that, in the world. So if the tea is from India, it will be called as Indian tea. So the origin of the tea is from India. So therefore it's called as the Indian tea. So the word Indian actually becomes the origin. Okay, students. So similarly, like some other way, Chinese silk, something like that, so the origin is like Chinese. Okay, so the origin word is Chinese. Material can be anything, like any material on this earth. Okay, it can be silk, it can be gold, it can be diamond, it can be rock, it can be anything. And purpose, okay, we'll come to that. Sorry. Okay, so we are here. So students, if you notice, arrange the adjectives in an order of adjectives. Okay, so the three words are given: expensive, Italian, and yellow. So first, these three words will have to identify what kind of adjectives are they. So expensive is my opinion. Okay, it can be a factual opinion, like if it's a Ferrari or anything, it will be fact. But in my this, if any car is expensive, in my personal opinion, that is also okay. Italian, I told you. Origin, from where is this car originated, or from which country is this actually manufactured? That is the origin. So origin is Italian. If you see, origin is Italian. Yellow is nothing but color. So how we will place this? We just can't say yellow Italian expensive or expensive Italian yellow car. No, there is a procedure, and that procedure we learnt over here. Okay, so the same thing we are going to apply in the sentence also. So Anne is a determiner over here. So determiner comes first. After determiner, expensive is an opinion. So expensive is an opinion. Opinion comes after determiner. Correct. Yellow is the color. So if you notice, after opinion, there's no shape is not given. Age is not considered. Shape, color. Now color. So after opinion comes color. Italian is the origin. So if you see, after color comes the origin. So Italian is the origin, and then comes the noun. Okay, and then comes the noun, that is car. Okay, students. Second thing, three words are given to you: purple, short, and horrible. So if you see, first we'll identify which type of adjective it is. So purple is the color. Short is the shape. Okay, or the size. I'm so sorry. Short is the size. Horrible is the opinion. It's my personal opinion. It can be horrible also. It can be good also. It can be best also. Okay, depends. So determiner. Horrible is my opinion. So in that chart we saw that opinion comes second. Then comes size, then comes color, then comes the noun. Okay, students, noun is always written at the ending after writing all the adjectives. We do not say We do not say flower yellow was. There was a yellow flower. So first the adjective comes and then the noun comes. Okay. So first we'll write all the adjectives in the order. What the order is. So that is the standard order. Okay, students. This is the standard order. In this order only all the adjectives will be written. Okay. It's not something that I have written, or it is the English language order of adjective. This is the order that every person who speaks English or writes English should follow. It's not my personal made chart. Okay, students, this is the chart that everyone has to follow when they are studying or when they want to write anything. Okay, so now we have wooden, new, round. So wooden is what? Material. New is what we say, age. If you come over here, new is the age because it's new or old describes the age. Round is the shape. So to is determiner, then comes the age new, then comes the shape round, then comes the material, and then comes the noun. Okay, likewise students, here little American smart. Okay, smart is my opinion, my personal opinion. Okay, anyone can have any their personal opinions, doesn't matter. Little is the size. American, now American is the origin. Okay, so this girl is from America, so the origin of this girl is American. We'll call her American, and then comes the girl. And likewise, students, I hope you'll have understood this. If at all you'll have any problem, please let me know through email. Thank you students. Stay indoors and stay safe.